Good afternoon. My name is Arlisa Flores Pam. I am the person in charge of explaining your tourist guide. Los Atos y Rancho El Llanerazo. Located, Los Atos and Rancho El Llanerazo located in the Yopal Casanare place appropriate for the you people like nature. Rancho El Llanerazo, it will allow you to live cultural expressions and enjoy the activities related on the Llanera culture. What to do? You can work with words while I'm the head in touch contact with the nature. Visit the museums of Llaneros artists. Take care of Joropo and taste the food, the plates. Travel trips. You must plan your trip. You will go on ranch moods, carry things unnecessary. If you are pregnant, you have to beware. Superstition. Urinating of a fab not night. The child not urinate at night. Where to go? You can try preferably in the summer. It's the best time to know the Llanera culture. Where to stay? Decide the ranch during 3 days or more. According to your purchase, the ranch offer a comfortable day-stay rooms destined Hotel Hampton and the HL. These are located in the center of the city. What to have? You can have empanada, chorizo, chinchulla, stuffed, tungos, hallacas, llanera meat, and chihuiri, among other. What to drink? Natural juice, lemonades, guarapo, chicha, masato, beer, brandy, tequila. Transportation. If the ranch offers the transportation service or if you want, you can take a taxi to take you to the place. Lengua in the city, lenguaje is Spanish. Concurrency, the peso. Tipping, not at the ranch in the city if one. Enjoy your trip.